Hey Yappy fam! Today you're going to be patting yourself on the back because you're going to learn how to make pad thai. Come on in! Pad thai is one of those dishes that look really simple on the surface, but in actuality it can be quite complicated because there's a little bit of technique to it. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to make a foolproof version. So let's go! The next step is to make sure that you soak your noodles, okay? Because you don't want to pre-cook them, but you also don't want to cook them straight out of the bag. You just want to make sure that they're a little bit soft and easy to work with. So you do want to soak them for 10 minutes in warm water and then leave it on the side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually work on my sauce. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put about 1 1/4 cup of water in here. And earlier I've saved the shells that I peeled from the shrimp. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to boil them and extract all that shrimp flavor. And this is just the way I do it to not waste any flavor. And I'll show you what I do next. Now I'm going to remove the shrimp shells and I'm just going to keep the broth because that has a lot of flavor inside. For the tamarind paste, sometimes it comes in a square like this or it can come in a jar. So if you have it like a square like this, then what you're going to have to do is pour a little bit of hot water, cut a little piece of it and then soak it in hot water. And then once it's melted, then you're gonna have to extract the veins and the seeds. So right over here, I've already melted about maybe about a quarter of this, and I'm going to just extract it now. And you just pull it through a sieve like this. Pour that shrimp broth right over as well. Perfect. Now I'm going to pour this sauce right back into the saucepan. And then I'm going to turn the heat back on to about a medium heat. To this sauce, I'm going to add my chicken powder. I'm going to add my fish sauce. I'm just going to add about 3 tablespoons for now. Then I'm going to add my chili sauce. How spicy you like it. And then I'm just going to leave that simmer on a low heat for a little bit while we work on the next thing. You also want to add about 3 teaspoons of sugar in here. I'm going to go ahead and make my eggs separately. I find that sometimes when you crack the eggs right into the noodles, it creates one big eggy mess. So in order to prevent that, my eggs separately and then drop it into the pad thai later. So you're just gonna scramble them ever so slightly, and then you're going to just put it aside, okay? Now let's make pad thai. So my pan is warm, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil. We're gonna go in with our garlic and shallots, onions, our pickled radish, tofu, then my shrimp, now we add the noodles. Change over to tongs. I'm going to pour the sauce over. So good. Amazing. Super easy, so delicious. And now that we are in our second lockdown in Toronto, I mean, if you have that Thai craving, don't feel intimidated. Go and try this yourself at home. Super easy. And I hope you feel a little bit more confident after watching this video. So if you like this video, make sure to click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below, okay? Support a nice Southeast Asian girl like me. Until next time, I'll see you. Bye.